friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my summer evening routine, my evening cleaning routine. I don't exactly have a structural cleaning routine, but this is pretty much what I've been doing. Also, I am going to do a giveaway at the end of this video, so if you guys are interested for that giveaway, just stay tuned to the end of the video. Today I just did not clean at all. I usually do like to clean a little bit throughout the day just to not make it, you know, have so much trash like right now. But today I just decided just to leave everything for the afternoon, and that's why you guys see that the house is really trashy. So I'm pretty much just gonna sweep my living area and also steam mop it. Again, you guys, I've been using the steam mop for forever. I really love it, and I don't have to be using a lot of chemicals around the house, especially because I am pregnant and I have a 1-year-old toddler who likes to run around and touch everything. So that's why I love using my steam mop. I also did take off all my decor that I had on my dining area and decided just to put these jute placemats on top. Please tell me I'm not the only one that has to clean up these huge messes after every meal. You guys are probably asking yourself, why is my dining room look like before when I did the whole makeover? Well, it's because I actually filmed this video before we redid our dining room area, and that's why you see all this old furniture here. And by the way, you guys, yes, I did take off the chandelier because it was just too big for this area and we kept on hitting our heads with it. So now I'm going to show you guys probably in my next video or so the light fixture that we ended up having or ended up installing in this area. I really like it, and we don't, oh my god, it's like pouring, but I really love it, but and we don't have to hit our heads with it. went to Walmart and I just decided to get a few things that I needed here around the house, and this is some of the items that I got. I just pretty much got some tortilla chips, or like tostadas, and some saltines. And yeah, this is my husband's beer. I don't drink any beer, but now I'm gonna just unload the dishwasher. I ran this cycle last night, so that's why you guys see a lot of dishes here. And I've actually got it in a bad habit of not unloading the dishwasher first thing in the morning, and do it in the afternoon or the evening, and just get things or dishes as I need them. But if you want to live through me, this is pretty much the mess that I have to deal with every afternoon. But I just don't know. Lately I've just not been doing well in the morning, so that's why I've been leaving everything for the afternoon. And I think it's because I want to spend more time with my baby, and in the afternoon is usually the time when my husband is home and he can help me out a little bit with her. But right now he is not helping me with her. He's actually doing some office work, so that's why this little baby is on top of the dishwasher trying to supposedly help me. But I'm just keeping her here entertained, so while I'll wash some dishes. Today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleaner, and you guys, like, the rave, oh my god, it's real. Like, I was watching a lot of other cleaning videos or cleaning channels here on YouTube, like, rave about this product, and I can now tell you guys that it's amazing. Like, wow, it works so nice. And you guys saw how my sink area just was a complete mess, and you guys are gonna see how it just transformed it at the end. now moving on to the giveaway, I am going to give you guys a set of 3 of the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day mint products. One is going to be in the scent mint, and the other one's going to be in the scent lilac. I absolutely love these scents. They smell so amazing, and I just want to share with you guys. They are limited edition, so I'm not even sure if you guys can still find it in the stores. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I had a lot of these products and I really enjoy the scent. So the only thing you have to do is just be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what's your favorite product from Mrs. Meyer's. There will be 2 winners, and I'll be announcing the winners in 2 weeks. Good luck. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you enter. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.